Hello everyone, this is Priyanka here. We are doing financial accounting revision, right? So, dear students, from part B, this general entries I have taken from previous year question paper. So, mostly, in some cases he will ask, but one time he asked, okay, not repeatedly, he asked about the general entries. So this we got previous year paper, so just I'm revising general entries. As you people know, as an English student, that how we will write general entries, but this is the repeated questions. Once I will give you explanation and I will explain you. Okay, so please see general entries. Usually general entries means what? General entries are the first record of business transactions, right? So in accounting, every financial transactions are recorded general using the double entry system, where one account is debited and other account is credited. Simple explanation means what? A general is called the book of original entry. This general entries we will call it as a books of original entry. Okay, na? It records in a chronological data order. So data chronological order data it will record. Every general entries has what it will have: date, we will mention date. Okay, accounts affected we will mention, and debit and credit amounts we will mention, and also the narration we will mention. Is that clear? So if you see the general entries format: date, particulars, LF number, debit amount and credit amount we will mention. Example, started business with cash means what we will write: cash account data to business account. Is I'm clear? So here general entries: debit what comes in, receiver expenses and losses, and credit what goes out, like giver income and gains. Okay, if one line, if I mention what is general entries mean: general entry is the recording of business transaction in the general using the double entry system by debiting one account and crediting another account. This is the question we have taken from previous year question. That is, Jay Shali is a sole trading proprietor having a provisions stores. The following are the transactions during the month of January 2018. Generalize them. So first, second, third, fourth, and so on. They have given these entries. So we have to shift them in general entries. So as just now we have discussed, general entries format. What is the general entries format? Date, what do you say, particulars, LF number, debit and credit. If you see general entries in the books of Jaishali Provision Stores for January 2018, I have prepared here. First commenced business with cash rupees 80,000. So first January commenced business, right? Cash account data to Jaishali capital account. How much ma? 80,000 I have mentioned here and here. And narration being business commenced with cash. And after that, January 2nd, purchase the goods by paying cash rupees 5,000. So here what happened? Sorry, deposited cash with bank rupees 40,000. Second, deposited cash with bank rupees 40,000. So bank account data to cash account being cash deposited into bank on January 2nd. And the third, purchase the goods by paying cash. So purchase the goods, how we are paid, credit or cash? Cash we paid, right? So purchases account data to cash account being goods purchased for cash rupees 5,000 and 5,000 I have mentioned. One fourth, purchase the goods from Lepton and Company on credit rupees 10,000. So purchases account data to purchases account data to Lipton company account being goods purchases from Lipton on credit. Here by cash we have purchased, that's what we have mentioned to cash. Here on credit basis we have purchased, right? So that's what we have mentioned, Lipton company. Okay, being the goods purchased from Lipton on credit. How much? 10,000 and 10,000. Here sold goods to Joy and received cash rupees 11,000. So we have sell good, right? Here cash account, what is coming? Cash is coming, right? Cash account data to sales account being goods sold to Joy and received cash. How much ma? 11,000 and 11,000. And eighth, paid Lipton and Company by check for purchases made on 4th January. 7th, what happened? Lipton and Company account data to bank order account being payment made to check. We have paid to Lipton how by the through the check. Or if you pay by cash, Lipton Company account data to cash account. Here we have paid amount by check. So that's what we are mentioning here, bank account. Okay, please see the entries. 8th, bought furniture by cash. How we bought furniture? By cash. So that's what mentioned here, furniture account that are to cash account. Okay, being furniture bought for cash. Again, 12th, paid electricity charges by cash. How we have paid electricity charges by the cash? So that's what electricity charges account that are to cash account, being electricity charges paid by cash 1000. So this is the general entries. I hope you already know, but here I'm discussing this previous year question, so please take screenshot and try to maintain. Maximum they will not ask general entries. If not, just in case, if they will ask, we have to be in position that we have to write the answer. So if they ask that, already format, date, particulars, LF number, debit amount column, credit amount column, and after that date wise you will mention here, and whatever the entries is there, you have to, which entries will come debit, which side entries is come credit, like from cash account data to Jeshili account, like that you have to little careful and mention this accounts here. And narration is very important. Please try to write narration. Compulsory you have to mention narration. Okay, so again I have taken this question from the following details. Prepare final accounts for the year ending 31st 12 2015. Okay, so please see this here, some trial balance they have mentioned, like capital, drawings, furniture, okay, bad debts, and what else, sales, debtors, rent received, this all they have mentioned. So what we have to do, we have to prepare the final accounts for this. Is I'm clear? So final accounts for this we have to mention. So what we have to do here, adjustments also they given, so we have to be very careful while mentioning the adjustments also. So final accounts means, already I have explained in our previous video, that in trading account, all direct expenses and incomes we will mention, right? And coming to profit and loss account, we will mention all indirect expenses. And coming to balance sheet, we will mention liabilities and assets, right? So here let's we discuss some important concepts here. So capital means, we will take this capital as what ma, we will take this capital as to opening stock,